Timmy Joe reviews anything.
Reviewing computer parts on YouTube.
That's
Woo! Gotta be pumped on that, right, Will? Computer parts! Woo!
Oh yeah.
How's it going, guys? My name's Sandra Bullock and I build computers blindfolded because if you look at the computer, it will most certainly destroy you. That's right, I am doing the BB challenge, and apparently YouTube is famously making the searchable algorithm. This isn't necessarily dangerous except for the components involved, hence why I'm not building this with some amazing, X2 or 390, 8-core Intel part. I have picked a very nice case from FSP, which is loud, so I'm going to shut it off. And that's right, we are going to build a system completely blindfolded. Because, again, if you look at the computer, it will make you want to kill yourself, and only crazy people can look at it without dying. So, FSP provided their new CMT 340 case, I think, yeah, 340, which is a kind of scaled down version of their 510, which is nice. It has fully addressable RGB, as you saw, real nice. Comes with 4 fans, tempered glass in the front and the sides. And then, the rest of the components don't matter much, but I just have a Core 2 quad system, I believe with a XEON, and I'm actually going to have to put it blindfolded into the socket. And I think I remember where I put everything before everyone started killing themselves, and I, cleverly laid out all these PC parts on the table. So this is the BB challenge, which I will refer to it just so that YouTube doesn't pick up what I'm saying and algorithmically take this video away, because I think it's gonna be. I think there's a camera over here. There's a camera up here too, huh? I think this is gonna be funny. Now, most certainly, I'm not doing this in one take because I guarantee my cameras will overheat at some point, because this is gonna take more than about 15 minutes, and that's all my cameras give me. But let's get started. So that's there, and we won't need that for a while, so I'm gonna put it on the floor. Remember where that is. And I can't see at all. I'm grabbing the CPU cooler. Here is the motherboard. It's an Asus that was donated at some point. Core 2 quad with DDR3 memory, which is really, really nice. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead. And I made sure I couldn't see, so I'm not cheating in the slightest if I bend the pins, and I will only have won the BB challenge if I don't completely fuck up the socket and the posts. And of course, freaking hell, man, this isn't cool. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. This side? God, oh, okay, I felt it. Ha 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 ha. This is where you start with the computer, right? Oh man, this is just all kinds of crazy. I believe the socket, I'm just gonna stick my fingy in there. Ha ha! All right, find the CPU. There we go. Now this is a modified Xeon CPU with little notches taken out of it so it fits. So I am really treading water lightly here. Oh my god, this is really, this is fucking stupid. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so, no! Oh god, that's so cringy. Lift up, thank you. Okay, I think it goes in the, shit. I definitely am gonna bend some pins here. There's no way. I'm gonna wreck some hardware that I don't really want to wreck here. Okay, that feels right. Okay, I sure hope I didn't bend any pins. I'll readjust my, make sure that's, it was hard to find a doily that would fit around my big noggin. I believe I have everything on the table, but who knows? I think the hardest part is over though right now. So I sure hope There's no way that this works, right? Oh man, this is just gonna be the cringiest video ever. Fuck off to fucking hell, man. I'm gonna break this motherboard. And I picked something I didn't. Okay. Why aren't you shoving in? Oh! One RAM is good. I think, yeah, it's in the bottom. Probably good to touch all the contacts too. Just feeling it out, dog. Just feeling it out. I'll Ray Charles it a bit. I forgot my glasses were on my head. Okay, I think I got. Oh God, no, that is definitely not right. That didn't sound good at all. Okay, I want to thank my wife who had this idea. I came home one day from work and said, you should do a burpee challenge with your computers. And I think I got some thermal paste. Haha. Alright. That's probably good, right? Just a pea-sized amount, you know? Alright, we have a Noctua cooler, which doesn't feel very clean on the bottom. There we go. That works. Of course, I put the fan on it like a moron. Oh no, that didn't sound good. I need my. Okay. Got that there. And I want it like this. And I just put my fingers in the paste, for fuck's sakes. There's gonna be a lot of swearing. Didn't I put this on? I forgot. I didn't. I thought I cheated a bit. There we go. And I thought I put the little carrier nubbins. Okay, just don't grab them like a moron. I need it like this. I should have put the thermal paste on after this, for goodness Christ's sakes. Alright, that's how it's in. There we go! Yeah! Okay, I need 2 nubbins. Oh no! There we go. Okay, I got that. No wonder it was so hard last time. It was going the wrong way, I think. So I'm fairly familiar with what I'm doing right now. But my other senses are starting to heighten. But then again, I impaired my earballs by putting the blindfold over my ears. So there's some. Okay, there we go. Ha! Ha! I'm really worried about the fan. Okay, that one's on. Maybe I can still like angle it sideways. Okay, that sounded. Okay, we're getting somewhere. And, you know, don't use a regular screwdriver. I'm gonna use my fucking. Give me a lot of swearing, so hide your kids, hide your wife. I think that's on. Fuck yeah. Where can I put. Oh, fuck, there's no way. I think I lost it. Ha 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 ha! Okay, we're gonna put that. And we're gonna put the fan on. Should I put the fan on now? Yeah. Might as well. I don't think it's gonna matter much. CPU, as long as I plug it in somewhere, right? So how you guys doing today? I mean, that feels right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a GTX 650 Ti here. SSD. We're like almost, we're getting there. Alright, I'm my own worst enemy. I don't want to lose that. Okay. Little bag of screws. That one has stuff in it. This one doesn't. Okay. I got my thingy that at least this. Haha. Woo! We're just humming along right now. Through there, through there, through there. Alright, I need a screw with like a hexy thing on the end of it. Is that right? Oh, I can use my mouth. There we go. Oh, I found it. 1. Is it cheating to use your mouth? Oh my god, and there's so many perforations. Shit. Oh, I got another one. Are you kidding me? Motherfucker. SSD. So we'll We'll worry about that once we have the motherboard installed. So just don't lose that over there. Okay. I don't have a bracket for this motherboard, otherwise I would put it in, and that would be a whole other hilarious adventure. And this... Wow, we're doing well here. Okay, like I said, both my cameras, or all three of my cameras, overheated and turned off. And I thought it was done, and I went and checked. All of them had shut off, and I can usually hear it, but I've been talking so goddamn much, and I have stuff over my ears. I didn't hear the little ding that usually the camera makes. There's a couple of mistakes that I need to fix. Number one, the Molex for the RGB fans isn't plugged in. I need to find that. And I do think I know how to plug the front buttons in. So I'm going to attempt to do so. And then get the computer started with the power button. And if the computer starts up, I might have missed some of this. I was wondering how long I was talking to myself, just yelling at myself. I can't do this. Oh, wait. Okay. Yes, I think I know where to plug the power in. I believe I just plugged it in the right spot. I don't want to plug the lights in because I could short something. So we're just going to hide those. But I definitely need to get the RGB plugged in. Okay, those are hidden. And put both the panels on the case, and hopefully the cameras don't overheat again. I hear that there is definitely a screw floating around in there. Shit, where did I put the little Molexy thing? Now I need to find the Molex on the power supply, re-secure both the side panels before. I found a Molex, I think, before my camera, yeah, runs out of batteries. That's how I normally do cable management, so don't worry about it. Oh no! I definitely don't know where I put the screw, the thumb screw. We have regular screws. All right, screws in, protective film. And I need to find one more screw. Ha-ha! Success! Power supply turned on. And it's on! Both cameras are still rolling, I think. Will it post? Oh man, it is so bright out. Is your PC plugged in? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I bent some of the pins, didn't I? I bent some of the pins. What a beautiful... I did a good job, actually. Not so bad. Alright, let's figure out why it's not posted. My PC speaker's installed. Let's hear if it beeps. The RAM is well seated, so let's find out what I did wrong. All the powers are plugged in. Alright, moment of truth. The CPU's installed the wrong way! Ah! These notches, I thought they had to go at the back of the socket. I definitely see some messed up pins, but no wonder I was having such a problem with it. All right, if the computer still posts, even though I probably just bent the pins in the socket. No. I completely fucking messed that motherboard up. Shit. Wonder if it would work with a non-Xeon. I might have messed up. There's like a... Ooh, this is hot. Okay, something was working. Here's a Core 2 Duo. Did I fry that CPU by putting the pins all fucking wonky? Oh, now I'm just gonna bend more pins because I'm a moron. Let's see if... I don't mind if the CPU's fried, but if the motherboard's fried, that sucks worse. Oh, wait. That's a good sign. I fried the CPU! I fried the CPU, but not the motherboard. It was so hot and it smelled weird. It smells like, the board's fine. CPU fan error, yeah, that's no big deal. And it, I fried a CPU. Oh man, all right, well, the Bird Box Challenge on PCs, I got some advice for you. Do not use hardware that you want to lose, because I fried a Xeon X5450 to the point where it won't post in the motherboard anymore, but I didn't fuck the motherboard as far as I can tell. There's one pin that's bent. I can probably bend it back, but it's still booting with a Quartz U Duo in it, so that is hilarious. So I'm at Watch Timmy Joe, Instagram and Twitter. This is one of my dumber ideas, but we have a nice case from FSP. Here, let's lock her down here. And we'll check out the RGB. We'll do a review of this case, but I guess whatever. I'll just screw it in there. Who gives a fuck? Nice case, isn't it? I'm at Watch Timmy Joe, Instagram and Twitter. This has been the BB Challenge. I challenge you to challenge your favorite YouTuber to do the same thing I did and see if they can not fry a CPU in the process. Because I literally fried a CPU, yet the motherboard is fine, and all the other components I had in right. I just had this in this way instead of this way, and apparently that's no good for Xeon CPUs. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you very much for laughing along with me. This has been a hell of a ride. You guys keep it sleazy. Thanks, Sandra Bullock, for ruining my Xeon.